Okay guys, so I made this honk at me sign for the back of Ben's car because I've seen a lot of YouTubers do it and I really want to do it to him. I just used some wrapping paper, the back of it, so for more DIY honk at me signs, please check out the rest of the videos on my channel. Okay.
Hi guys.
Wait!
It scared me so bad I thought I just slammed your foot.
Oh wait, hold on. There's these vloggers that do this thing where the guy goes in the front and he dances.
I'm not even good at dancing.
Just do anything. Just do it. He's so dumb. What?
It's hard to dance without rhythm or music.
Just do it.
It's hard
okay.
to do it silent.
Literally just bob your head. I just didn't want him to walk behind and see the sign. That was good. Hey everyone! So we're on the way to Walmart.
We also need to get gasoline from a gas station.
You do?
Yeah.
You just got gas yesterday. What do you think?
Get a car wash.
Okay, well you're not getting your car washed today, okay?
Okay.
I'm really hungry. I want pressed juicery. Can we go there first? Where are you going?
Gas!
No,
I need
no.
gas!
Ben! No!
What?
No!
What?
I'm hungry. I want pressed juicery.
I need gas! I have no gas! Okay guys, we're gonna run out of gas and then you can walk to Press Juicery. How's that sound?
You're so annoying.
This means I have 30 miles left. This has been on for at least 10 miles. I have to get gas! What do you mean?
Okay.
If you really want, we could really push it to that Walmart.
Yeah.
Okay. How much of a baby you're being.
Oh my gosh. You're driving crazy. Everyone's honking at you.
Why did that guy honk at me? I was getting out of the line at the light, as if that would inconvenience him at all. He's moving up one more spot in line. He's getting out of line? That is not allowed.
You're so mad.
I just don't understand the logic behind him honking at me.
Just don't drive poorly.
You're the one who wanted me to get out of that turn.
When did your gas light turn on?
Yesterday.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I thought it just turned on.
No, that's why I said we needed to get gas.
Oh my gosh! You can get gas whenever there's a gas station.
Okay. Now that you have realized the dire situation we're in.
Okay, he's gonna get gas, guys.
I'll be right back, I promise.
He's getting gas right now, and I really hope that he does not see the sign in the back, and I don't know how I'm gonna keep him from seeing the sign in the back. I just hope he doesn't. But he is. He always walks from behind the car around. I don't know why he doesn't walk in front of the car.
You do it.
Okay guys, here's Ben filling up his gas. He's gonna do unleaded, everybody. Stay tuned to see how unleaded works. Okay guys, he's putting it back in. Okay, I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Why are you so antsy?
Press Juicery, here we come.
The sun is...
Oh my gosh.
Is everyone honking at me today? What is going on?
That was an aggressive honk.
Nothing.
What did you do?
Nothing. The light was still red. I want to get out and yell at him. I want to get out and point at the light and say it's red. Should I yell out the window and say it was red?
No.
It's that Jesus sticker on the back of my car. Run.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It's the war on Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Apparently being stopped at a red light is terrible. And you should honk at anyone who's stopped at a red light. Ooh, I want to look for some jeans.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
That's totally fine. Oh my gosh.
Okay, now I am a thorough believer in the fact that Tanya has set me up and she's having people follow me during this entire vlog or video.
I paid all these.
Honking at me.
Why don't you just like drive normal?
I don't know why everyone's honking at me.
You're driving.
Did you write honk because my car's dirty or something?
Yeah.
I don't know. I cannot explain this phenomenon that has happened.
Stop, like, driving weird.
How am I driving weird?
You're going like a weird speed.
I'm driving normally. Oh man. I don't get it.
Was that you?
I don't know. I'm lost. I really am. What is that?
Whistling.
Who's it by?
By Beethoven.
Ooh.
Yeah. I love to whistle some Beethoven here and there.
I want someone to honk at me again. I miss it already.
I miss it too. Those were the good old days.
Please honk at me. Please honk at me.
What's your favorite part about this day?
You.
Okay guys, we're here and we're gonna get some pressed juicery. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Look at his color palette, everybody. Blue on blue on blue, baby. Ooh.
Wow, that was good.
That was crazy.
That was
My
insane.
phone just did a pop shove it, everybody. Would you make out with Logan for $500?
Yeah.
400?
Yeah.
300?
How long?
5 minutes.
Then no to all of those. I haven't
2
even
minutes.
made out with you for 1 minute.
He got his pressed juicery, and I got mine. Baby. We're going to H&M now, because he needs jeans. Those are a really nice color.
Whoa.
He didn't get either of the jeans that he tried on.
Because I need to get better quality jeans made by...
Not kids in Bangladesh. So now we're just going back to the car and we're gonna head home and we're gonna play some Donkey Kong.
That's lanky.
Wait! Please do another one. Just a subtle one. Just a little dance.
This guy's literally
Just do it.
just sitting
Just do
in
it.
his
Just do
car.
it. Please, 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 please. I cannot believe him. I hope people honk at us on the way home. He thinks I'm singing while he's dancing.
Okay.
That was so good.
Was it?
Yeah. We're on the way home.
Would you like to go to Whole Foods?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Uh-oh.
What?
My wheel just fell off.
Are you serious?
Tanya, you gotta get out. Tanya, get out. Tanya, get out. Tanya, get out.
Hey guys, I'm back. I just jumped out of the car. That was really scary and I fell outside on the concrete. So we do crazy things for videos.
We're pretty quirky.
We're pretty quirky girls.
That was a stop sign, sir. I should be the one honking at everyone else. Stop.
So how was your press juicery?
It was very satisfying, I have to say. And she put the perfect amount of chocolate
She
chips.
sure did. I think she liked you. It's pretty disgusting if you ask me.
I think I like her. It looks so eerie right now.
I know, it looks really eerie.
I feel like we're driving up to a lake. A cabin on a lake.
Hey guys, we just decided to go to our cabin on the lake. Stay tuned with us to see us on our journey.
I don't know if I'm being dramatic, but it really does look very eerie right now.
This is what it looks like, folks. Is it eerie? Comment yes or no. We'd love to hear your feedback.
We'd like to hear your feedback.
Oh my gosh, you!
I'm tired.
Tired baby.
I'm tired. I love how dark your vlog is now.
I know. This is good because it gives my viewers the real life feel, you know?
Real time.
Things can't always be set up in front of lights and cameras and actions, you know?
We're real people.
We're just real people, just like you, okay?
We're average American Joes and Joettes.
Yeah. Don't be intimidated, okay?
We're just like you.
you ever see us in public, make sure to say hi. Tweet us.
I miss the honking. I am upset. I want the attention now, and I'm not getting it.
I can't believe you are still stuck on that. He gets honked at twice and then just talks about it all day.
4 times. 4 times.
4 times.
That is...
So drive normally.
That is a ridiculous amount of time.
Okay, whose fault was that?
And no one's. I was driving normal and you know it.
I'm on their side.
Their side is wrong.
Sorry for this lighting, everybody. Sorry for the fight we just had. Gosh, sometimes we just get a little out of line. We're back at my home. Ooh. Hey, Ben. Can I show you something?
I knew you put something on there the whole time.
You did not know it.
Well, okay, I made a suggestion at one point, but your acting is very good, so it didn't go past. When did you put this on? I'm trying to think.
I put it on when we got home and I went upstairs to get ready, and then I ran outside and taped this onto your car. And whenever you open my door for me, you come around this way.
That is why I thought that was so weird.
So I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna walk behind the car.
Why did you do that?
So I was like, dance.
So that's why you did the dance in the beginning too.
Yeah, and then that's why I didn't want you to get gas. Because I didn't want you to see it when you got outside to get gas. And then I didn't actually want to go to Walmart. I just wanted us to drive somewhere. But no one honked at us on the way home.
I know.
That's so weird.
That's crazy.
And only like 4 people did total.
I know.
So when you guys see this on a car, honk at them because...
Honk. Now the prank seems dumb.
We really showed that.